Hi, today we're going to try some flavors of Oreos. We got Oreo Thins Mint. I think I'm going to like this one the least because I don't really like mint, but we'll give it a shot. What else we got? Oreo Thin. I think they're vanilla.
Yeah, they are. Oh, it's golden.
I think this one is an interesting flavor, but being artificial, I got a feeling it's going to be disappointing. Strawberry Shortcake Oreos.
You already know that one tastes disgusting.
Most likely. And another one with artificials. We've got S'mores Oreo. So when you're having cookies, but you want them to taste like a different cookie.
Yep.
Alrighty. Go ahead and pick which one you want to try first.
Ooh, it smells good.
Well, you can see they're much thinner than a regular Oreo. You can smell the mint, so I got a feeling they're going to be strong mint.
It smells like Thin Mints. This is exactly what it tastes like, too.
Well,
It's not Thin Mint cookies.
I'm not wild about the mint, but they're not bad. I like the thinness. I actually like the thin cookie better than the regular Oreo cookie. I'd rather have the regular Oreos thin like this. What's next? Alright. The other thin ones. Got a feeling I'm going to like these ones. Yep, got a strong vanilla scent. So you can see how thin they are.
I can't tell I still have too much of that mint in my mouth.
Yeah, I like that one a lot. It's nice vanilla flavor. I'm sure it tastes like the regular ones blonde ones they had before, but the thinness to them makes it a lot better to me. It's a lot more of a crisp whenever you bite into it compared to the regular cookie, and I find it more enjoyable.
Eat more of these with less calories. Alright. Let's go with the ones that I know are going to taste like crap now. Alright. Let's go with strawberry shortcake. Let's figure out how to this one.
Ooh, I can already smell that
Ew.
fake strawberry. Definitely has an artificial smell. Strong artificial strawberry.
I'm already making this. This is going to taste like mine.
It's got the vanilla type cookie, the strawberry center. Yeah. Not good. Very, very artificial strawberry taste. Definitely wouldn't recommend those.
So why does this one have a left tap but that one doesn't?
I don't know.
Nah, I taste that. Hopefully this is better. S'mores.
Okay, these also had the golden cookie. I can see the
They're
marshmallow and the
graham cracker
chocolate.
They're graham cracker flavored, not vanilla.
Oh, okay, yes, you're right. They're graham cracker. They are different when you look at them. I'm going to
These ones
open
are
this
too.
one so you can see the inside. Huh?
So I think these, the strawberry shortcake ones are too.
I,
What
did,
does it say?
I didn't notice the cook. Those I think are vanilla. You can
Oh,
see
it
it's
is gross.
got, I guess, the marshmallow on one side, the chocolate on the other.
I really like the smell of this one.
Doesn't smell as fake artificial as the other. Mmm.
Yep, that's chocolate and marshmallow.
Very strong marshmallow taste.
The chocolate could be a little bit stronger.
Yes, definitely cut down on the marshmallow. Strengthen the chocolate. It wouldn't be so bad. It's too much sweetness for me. What do you think?
It needs more chocolate. Cookie's spot on though. Like the actual cookie part itself, not the filling.
Yeah.
That's spot on.
It's a little too sweet for me. Yeah. I could throw the, like she said, I could throw the filling out and just eat the cookie. But I like the thin cookies.
Yeah, those are really good.
I like the thin better than the regular Oreos. That, to me, just the reduction of the cookie down so it's got a more of a crisp snap whenever you're eating it rather than a cookie crumble is nice. Okay, well, that's going to about do it for today. If you like this video, please let us know and please subscribe. Thank you very much.